This is what we're trying to find, and this is what's given. And I'm going to change these to decimals. That's 0.25 n equals 0.375 times m. You just move the decimal 2 places to the left for both of them. And I'm going to solve this equation for n, and that would be 0.375 over 0.25 times m. And then I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 1,000 to get rid of the decimal. And that will be 375 over 250. And 25 will go into both of those. 25 into 375 would be 15. And 25 into 250 would be 10. And then these will reduce by 5, and that's going to be 3 over 2. So now let's find our answer. Oh, I lost my m. So 12 times n, which is 3/2 m over m. The m's cancel, and you're left with 12 times 3/2, and 2 will go to 12. 6 times 3 is 18. There you go.